Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to rotate text within a table in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. First of all, open your data or your file in Google Sheets. Then choose the text that you want to rotate. And I'm going to rotate this first row. I'm going to rotate name, price, and discount. So what I'm going to do is just selecting this row. Then we gotta click on this A icon. Then we can go down until we find rotate text rotation. It's right here. Just click on it. Then choose the rotation that you like. For example, I'm going to choose rotate up like this, and okay. Alright guys, that's how we can rotate text within a table in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.